Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Gemini air sign. So let's see your person current feelings. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings. And here your current feelings towards your person, your current feelings. Okay, so first I'm saying signs. You person could be Capricorn or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You or your person could be or Aries, Leo, Sag. I think your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity in past, and I think your person is obsessed with you, but they want this connection. They are gaining strength to come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. Gemini, definitely your person want this connection. They are gaining strength because in past they could be missed opportunity with you. And you, I think you are in the energy of magician. Definitely you want this connection. Trust your intuition because high priestess is here. You also get some upset thoughts with this connection. Nine of swords is like not sleeping at night times, depression. So I think it is the devil card here, that's why you are feeling like this. But at the end of the day you want this connection. Ace of Wands, new beginnings. The magician, I think you are manifesting this person again in your life, so it will happen definitely. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Wow, yes, it's you, Gemini, magician, and Nine of Cups. Your wish is granted definitely. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment, and your person is coming. Knight of Cups, it is slow but stable. Knight of Cups is a stable offer. Definitely your person is coming towards you. So let's see more regarding this connection, Gemini. From your side, moment to moment. From their side, ordinariness. Yes, Two of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. You are juggling between two things and they want to work on this relationship, and the outcome is, wow, change, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, definitely things are turning in your favor. Your relationship is going to be next level because Wheel of Fortune, it is a good change. So let's pull some cards from universe. Your person this time is very serious. This time they don't want to miss the opportunity with you. The burden, understanding, and playfulness. Yes, communication, lot of communication you will get. Understanding means Knight, Page of Cups. Communication, you will get the communication from your person. Six of Swords, it could be long distance relationship. Page of Wands, yes, receiving communication. Your person could be popular or good looking and handsome. Yes, it is coming, long term commitment, but it is slow. You have to be patient and trust your intuition, Gemini, because the High Priestess is here. You are in magician energy, so what you are going to wish, it is going to be manifest because Nine of Cups is here and the magician is here. So your wish will be granted. So you are manifesting your person again in your life. If you are in separation or not, you are manifesting a better relationship with this person. Definitely it will be granted because your person also want this connection strongly as much as you. So Gemini, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.